I got another entry into the summer rotation right here. And as you can see, you can probably tell what it is by the Undercover Jun Takahashi on there. But without further ado, let's get into it. These are the Nike Daybreak by Undercover. These released August 1st for a retail price of $160. And these are probably, in addition to the Sakai's, probably the most creative expression of design that I've seen this year. And this colorway is by far my favorite. This is one of 6 colors that have dropped so far, and this is personally my favorite. This bright citron, they call it, it's bold yet simple and not as loud as the Sakai's that I previously showed you guys. And you know, it still makes a statement. Like it could go with anything, go for the summer, and it'll easily transition into fall. At least, you know, for me they will. And personally, these are going immediately into the rotation. And the quality on this suede is, you know, up there with the Fear of God level that I talked about the other day. For those of you all who don't know who Jun Takahashi is, he is a longtime collaborator with Nike and the founder of Undercover, the brand that this shoe is collaborated with. Now, Undercover has had several collaborations, most notably, I think 2 years ago now, the Element React 87, utilizing Nike's latest React cushioning system. One of the best colorways that ever came out of that shoe, vice the original 4 colorways, I'll say, because I got the first colorway, and also got the second release of the second 2 colorways, one of the second 2. So I'm kind of biased. But Jun Takahashi has a long history as a Japanese designer, and it just goes to show that his ideas of fusing chaos and order in these shoes is amazing, and it translates really well, because from the front it looks like a normal Nike Daybreak, right? Then you go to the back, you see this exaggerated wing, you know, almost like a spoiler on, you know, a ridiculous Corvette or something. Like, it's unprecedented. You're not going to see anything like this. And my personal favorite is the paint speckle detailing. One of my favorite details when people are designing shoes. And it all comes together, specifically this colorway, like I said, my favorite of the pack. It all comes together in this shoe. But without further ado, let's see what they look like on foot. So there you have it. Personally, these are one of my most anticipated releases of the year, simply because of the color and the exaggerated design. However, out of a year of impressive releases, these are still one of my most anticipated releases of the year. And not because, you know, the hype behind the shoe, like Jerry Lorenzo wore these and everybody went crazy or something. No, I just actually genuinely like the colorway, and these are going straight to feet only next week or tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. So if you enjoyed the video, please let me know down in the comments below. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And as always, I'll see you on the next episode of What's in the Box. Peace.